Here is a winter weather bulletin for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Calumet, Dorr, Florence, Forest, Kewaunee, Langlade, Lincoln, Manitowoc, Marathon, Menominee, Northern Marinette, Northern Oconto, Oneida, Outagamie, Portage, Shawano, Southern Marinette, Southern Oconto, Velas, Wapaka, Waushara, Winnebago and Wood. Blizzard warning in effect from 9 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. Friday. The winter storm warning is no longer in effect. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour. The areas impacted include portions of central, north central, northeast, and east central Wisconsin. Timing, from 9 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. Friday. Impacts, plan on slippery road conditions. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. People attending Splatfest at the Outagamie County Fairgrounds must cancel the event immediately. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.